How to fix Instagram automatic turn off problem solve. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem that your Instagram used to uh, turn off automatically and you can use the Instagram properly. So to fix this problem, first of all, make sure that you have a good data connection, and also the second thing what you need to do here, you have to first make sure that you have to update your Instagram from Google Play Store or App Store. So here you have to just simply tap Instagram, and then here you will find an option to update. So you have to simply click on update, and then you have to update your Instagram. After that, you can check it out whether it is working or not. So guys, if it is not working, then what you need to do here, the next step is you have to go to your phone settings and scroll down and go to app management or install apps. Now you have to go to the app list. You'll find the app list here, the all total app list here. So what you need to do here, it's very pretty simple. You just need to go to your Instagram here, and then here you have to click on storage uses, and then you have to clear all the data, and then go back, and here you can see force stop button. So simply click on force stop, and then you have to stop the force. Now after doing this, you can see here the permission button. Simply tap on the permission button, and then you have to allow all the permission here. So after allowing the permission, you can just go back and check whether you can use your Instagram in a proper way or not. So if it fixed, then good, and if it doesn't work, then the next thing what you can do here is you have to go to your phone settings again, and then you have to check whether your system is asking for an update or not. So if your system is asking for any update, you have to update your system, and then you can check it out. So the last steps that is 100% sure it's gonna work for you, that is you have to uninstall your Instagram here. And after uninstalling your Instagram, what you need to do, you have to reinstall it, and then restart your phone and log in and try it out. I am 110% sure this problem will be solved. So guys, thanks for watching. Please do hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the more interesting videos every day.